Okay beta, now what will happen if we take inert electrodes during the electrolysis of copper sulfate solution? Okay, a cathode as well as anode. We have taken platinum electrode, okay, platinum or carbon electrode in place of copper. Cathode we can use copper or platinum or carbon, but anode, which is the active electrode, we have replaced it by platinum or carbon electrode. Okay, dissociation will take place as in the previous process. Now copper sulfate will get dissociated as copper 2 plus and sulfate, since it is an ionic compound. Copper sulfate is an ionic compound, okay, and H2O being a covalent compound ionized into H plus and OH minus ion. Now the reaction will be at the cathode will be the same. Okay, copper cation getting 2 electrons, on getting 2 electrons from the cathode get converted to copper metal, but at anode, okay, but at anode the hydroxyl ion are the ones that are getting discharged. Okay, hydroxyl ions, by removing its excess electron, gets converted into hydroxyl molecule. Okay, now 2 hydroxyl molecule will form water and oxygen, nascent oxygen or a oxygen atom, and this oxygen attached to or react with another oxygen atom get converted into O2 or the oxygen gas. Now the product at the anode will be the oxygen gas. Okay, at cathode copper 2 plus and H plus ions migrate to the cathode, but copper 2 plus ions are the ones that are getting discharged because they are below hydrogen in the electrochemical series, so they get a preference for getting discharged. Okay, now at anode sulfate and hydroxyl ions migrate to the anode, but OH minus ions are discharged since they are lower in the electrochemical series. Okay, now oxidation of the hydroxyl ion give unstable hydroxyl radical which form water with the liberation of oxygen. So product at the anode will be the oxygen gas. Okay, now see, here is the previous process that we have already discussed when using anode and cathode as the copper electrodes. Okay, copper is the active one and platinum is the inert electrode. It itself does not take part in the reaction. Okay, now the blue color of the aqueous copper sulfate solution remain unchanged during the electrolysis of aqueous copper sulfate when we are using copper electrodes, but fades when platinum electrodes are being used. Why? If copper anode is used, for every copper ion discharged at the cathode as neutral copper atom, a copper ion is added to the solution at the anode. Okay, anode is itself supplying the atoms and itself getting diminished. Okay, and this anode is supplying the ions, copper ions. So therefore the blue color of the copper sulfate, which is due to the presence of copper atom, does not get faded. Okay, and here sulfate and hydroxyl ions are the spectator ions, means only dikhave ke liye these ions are present. These ions are present in the solution but does not taking part in the reaction. Okay, now copper anode diminishes in mass, but mass of the copper anode will get diminished. Okay, if platinum or carbon anode is used, then the blue color of the copper sulfate solution fade, since the blue copper ions are getting discharged. Okay, are getting discharged at the cathode and are not replaced at the anode. Okay, anode is not supplying any copper ions for the replacement of the copper 2 plus ions that are being converted into the copper metal at cathode. Okay.